This is a moment we captured that changed the way we all look at predators. She made her first real kill, and if that was not momentous enough, she suddenly noticed something touch her foot. A day-old baby baboon. We fully expected her to kill it instantly. But what happened next took us completely by surprise. She reached down and lifted it to safety, and for the next 4 hours took care of the baby as if she was conflicted and caught somehow between wanting to hunt and kill and yet nurture this helpless creature.
Her conflict on the day between being a caregiver, killer or cub is such an indication that these cats are complex and wound up balls of emotion, genetically inherited behavior as well as learned reactions, just like us.
The turning point came when the little baboon reached out to her and snuggled up into her neck.